Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to folks on onespotmedia.com and those of you watching on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands.
We begin this evening with a Primetime News follow-up. After being electrocuted in a Clarendon community on Sunday, the victim's condition has worsened.
Now the man's family is enraged. Romardo Lyons explains why.
No one turn up and it's very, very drastic. And I tell us I have to stand up for my father.
This as his father, the breadwinner of the family, lays on a hospital bed in excruciating pain. The man, a popular barber, lost a hand and a foot. His livelihood now in jeopardy as he may not be able to cut hair again.
Two kidney shut off on him right now. So in a very critical condition.
His younger children, who are preparing for back to school, now in limbo. The possibility of them being ready for September fading day by day. According to reports, utility poles belonging to the Jamaica Public Service JPS fell on him while he was traveling by a motorcycle along the main road in Racecourse, Clarendon on August 3rd. The man was electrocuted and sustained severe burns to his arms. His son says the family has been in a state of distress ever since.
We alone, I got through it. We alone. We got through a hard time, we got through a rough time, and there's no one. No councillor, no NP, no nobody.
Residents told the TVJ News that the man was not able to react after the incident. Now as the son hopes his father makes a speedy recovery, he cannot help but focus on what he described as a lack of remorse from the JPS.
I need JPS to come forth and stop behave as if like say, yo, nothing wrong. You understand? Like it's nothing wrong. Nothing for no one. Need to come forth and make and combine and do things the right way.
The emotionally wounded son says the situation is made much worse as there has been no communication whatsoever from political representatives.
And him did a fighting for his life. You understand? And nobody then, you understand, the councillor, they need to stand up for your resident them. You understand? The MP if you stand up for your resident then. If it was a shooting incident, you would have find out say they would have moved to it drastic already. You understand? Probably crucial thing would have come out of the situation already if it was a shooting incident. So they need to stand up for your resident more. Because right now my father in there and them nobody no come find out our situation be like we don't have no NP.
When contacted, JPS described the incident as most unfortunate. It said the poles came down during adverse weather conditions on August 2nd. The JPS said the primary concern is the well-being of those affected and warned the public to exercise extreme caution when approaching downed power lines and poles. Romardo Lyons, TVJ News.